Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2017 BMW X5 sDrive35i. This vehicle has a 3-liter turbocharged inline 6-cylinder with 300 horsepower and 300 pound-feet of torque. You have an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is more of the, I believe this is the most basic X5 you could get at the time. S-Drive is the rear-wheel drive. You can also get X-Drive with all-wheel drive. And this has like the SenseTech artificial leather, or yeah, so it's like really basic in here. But you do have this, I believe this is iDrive 6 or something. You have a backup camera with dynamic guidelines, regular BMW steering wheel, and it's a touchscreen as well, or you can use this iDrive controller down here. This just has the regular BMW sound system. You can get Harman Kardon, and I believe it's I believe it's Bowers and Wilkins and the more higher ones. Let's go for a quick walk around on this X5. It's finished in Alpine white. You have the S-Drive badge on the side. You have the bi-xenon headlights on this vehicle. Dual outlet exhaust. Here are the rear seats. I like the F15 X5. It's a good design. I've always liked it. My family owned one too, so my family, we had a great experience with it. We put a lot of miles on it. Never gave us any issues. Let's go for a drive. Gonna put it in the sport mode and get it out on the road. I have a video on the 50i V8 as well, which I uploaded a few days ago. If you want to check it out, that thing's an absolute beast. The 50i came with a V8, and then the 35i's were the V6 or inline 6. Pretty quick. I mean, the transmission's really nice, and BMWs are the inline 6s are twin turbo inline 6s are great. Like the way they deliver power is really nice. BMWs are just really fun to drive, all of them. Regardless of what kind of BMW you have, they all have nice driving capabilities. Even like a base model like this one. The M Sport would give you, and you can also get an M Sport, which would make it look a lot sportier, and you get a 3-spoke M steering wheel as opposed to this steering wheel right here. Nice and smooth drive, and this vehicle has 84,659 miles. Doesn't feel like that though. Still feels pretty good. Feels smooth. Engine sounds healthy too. It's a good car. And you know, and these BMWs, obviously German brands over, people have a reputation, people have like this like belief that German vehicles, just if it's a German brand, it's not going to last. But like these BMWs with the twin turbo inline sixes are much more reliable than when they're naturally aspirated. Like I've seen people, one of my friends has an X5M, 2018 X5M, and he has 125k miles on it, and it has over 700 horsepower, and he's never had any major issues, just minor stuff here and there. Typical what you would expect with a car with 120k miles. And the 6 cylinders, and that has a twin turbo V8, and the 6 cylinders are way more reliable. As long as you maintain them properly, you shouldn't have any issues. Like I'd say after like 2015 or so, a lot of BMWs became way more reliable. And the X5 that my family owned, we put like 70,000 or something on it, and the only issue we ever had the whole time was just one of the air, it had an air suspension, one of the pumps stopped working, and that was covered under warranty. So that was the only issue we had in 70,000 miles, and we bought it with like 4,000 miles on it, and it was like a retired loaner. Like this is a really nice SUV to drive. BMWs are just awesome. Brakes feel good too. Put it in like the comfort setting. The 2015 and 2016 models of this X5 had like the older iDrive, which didn't, it looked the same, the screen and the controller, but it didn't have touchscreen. And in 2017 they updated it to this. Yeah, it's a nice X5, good to drive, looks pretty good, and you can get these F15 X5s for pretty good prices. You can get a lot of car for the money if you get a well-sorted one. But overall, that's about it. Thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for vehicles like this X5.